All right, guys, here I am back in Germany once again doing some metal detecting with my new Garrett Ace 400 metal detector. Hopefully we can turn up some old coins and relics. We'll see. You never know. Let's take a look. Yes! Oh yeah, and after we're done detecting the trail, I'm gonna take you to visit this 500-year-old house. Well, here's an interesting find. The shell casing. It doesn't look like it's from World War II, it's more modern. Anybody have any ideas what that might be? Let me know. All right, we're getting a pretty clean signal here. All right, I got my first coin. Check it out, it looks like this trail is gonna pay off. I'm not sure how old it is. It's German, I think. You see what it says? I have nothing to clean it up with and I don't want to rub it, so I'll take it home and we'll look later. But you know what that means? That this trail has coins on it, old coins, so I got a long ways to go. This could be good. All right, another one of these shell casings. Huh. All right, it looks like I found a gold coin, guys. Just kidding. It's a modern 20 cents euro bit. Look at that, from 2008. Looks good though. Not a ring. Bummer. Another modern coin. 50 cent. Not too bad. This trail is pretty good so far. This is my third coin. Another one of these small shell casings with the plastic tip. What's that? Something from the war, probably. Just a piece of pipe, I don't know. We got ourselves a little shotgun shell casing here. Got some nice writing on it. On the bottom it looks like it says Durlach. Must be the brand name. 16 gauge it looks like. Alright, nice little surface find. Look at this beauty. Nice big fat portobello mushroom. Gonna have to take that home. Mother-in-law will cook that up nice. Alright, here's today's haul. 3 coins, which is awesome. The first 2 are just modern euro. It's a 50-cent piece. This is a 20-cent piece. Buy myself a little snack with that. And then of course the highlight, look at this. It's a really nice looking coin. This is from the German soldiers during World War II, so you know they went walking through there, which gives me a good reason to go back and revisit that location someday. This is a 10-cent piece, I guess. Reichspfennig. This is actually 1941. It's pretty toasted, but this one you can actually see better that it's wet. See that? You got the German eagle and then the German symbol from World War II down there. Pretty cool. I believe it says 1941. So far I think this is my 6th coin from the soldiers I found here in Germany, so I'm starting to get pretty good at discriminating different items. This was one of the first holes I dug on the trail, actually. I think either the second, maybe the third, but I think the second hole, so that was a good start to the day. I got really excited. Went kind of downhill from there, but again, the fact that I did find 3 coins is very good because we know people are walking that trail and they're dropping coins as early as 1941 anyway. So definitely, again, we will have to revisit this location. Over here, I don't know what this is. Looks like it almost might be some part of a lock. This I can't figure out either. It almost looks like a cigarette lighter in a car. Either. Just some foil, that's always fun to find. Let's see, this shell casing was really cool. As you can see, there was some nice writing on it. Well, you could see it better before when it was dry, but I don't think it's from the war. Alright, now let's head into town and check out that 500-year-old house. I've come to visit this old house that was built in the year 1513. Let's have a look. This half-timber frame building style is synonymous with Germany and is known as Fachwerkhaus. Say that 10 times fast. In the year 1487, stood here a building that was used as grain storage until the year 1513, when a great fire destroyed nearly the entire town, at which time this house was built over 500 years ago. Now, unfortunately, they were closed today, but we can peek in the window, and I also have some old photos that I took a few years back when I visited here before. Check out this straw insulation. It truly looks like something out of a fairy tale. Inside, you can really see the age of the wood. This must be the dining area, as there's a long table and benches placed in front of the fireplace. What you can't tell from home is the smell. It really has a dry, aged wood smell. It's really amazing. Here we see the kitchen with some period pieces used as decoration. A cast iron pot, a straw broom. Here we are upstairs. Look at the staircase. It's so steep, it's more like a ladder. And you can see some of the clay work that's built inside in between the frame. A couple of bedrooms upstairs. A look at the kitchen from above. And here we look up into the ceiling rafters. Can you imagine? This is over 500 years old. What an amazing piece of construction. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. If so, don't forget to drop me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to get notifications for all my latest videos. Once again, thanks for watching.